Hello, and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. So Chainlink broke support. With that, it is following the view that we are going to go down further. Yeah, it is quite an impulsive move down. However, we still have a chance to put in a higher C wave in wave 4. Certainly still possible, and the view hasn't been invalidated or so. But what we talked about before, let me just move them over here a little bit. What we talked about before is that Link is pretty much in a downtrend. Quite clearly, actually. It is quite a bearish setup. We're putting in place here, in addition to the bearish Elliott wave count, we're putting in here a head and shoulders pattern. And a move below that support range here between 550 and 580 would indicate that the neckline is broken and it can take us down quite quickly, I think, into the $3 region. Now again, also that is not going to happen overnight. This will take many weeks, maybe even months, yeah, to play out. I mean, it would be quite a substantial decline. We're talking here about from the current level, possibly around, it could be another, roughly 40% drop. Still possible, absolutely expected. And Link recently, we still have the bullish count on the chart. But as you know, this doesn't have much confidence, but it's a possibility. Here a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 down, a wave 3 up, 4 down, 5 up. I'm nearly thinking to take it off the chart completely. I'm not doing it because it's not officially invalidated, but the yellow box was basically also a support area for the bullish count. Now that has been broken clearly, and we're retesting it from below. So it's it sort of has been the primary expectation to go lower anyway. But I need to point out those possibilities, certainly. Now, this yellow box here is the area where we would normally see a wave 4 retracement get into. We did do that before here. We did it again. We touched it now 3 times. And the possibility is still to put in a higher C wave, ABC, a clearer wave 4 correction. This is not needed, because it hit the target area. The wave 4 could already be complete. We don't know that until we see a signal. The way this goes at the moment, especially as we broke below the ascending trend line, if we don't quickly get back above the Monday high at $6.06, we are probably gonna force a lower low here directly. Also, that's not happening in one straight line, but the way this starts to look is increasingly also short-term bearish without putting a higher price into this yellow resistance area. Again, as always, I need to mention that whenever these targets are reached, we need to be ready for a turnaround straight away. The break of that trend line was a signal. And now the next signal would be a break below that $5.67 level. That could really send us down straight away further. But besides that, what else is possible? So certainly ABC is still a possibility. B waves can be difficult. B waves can be to a degree unpredictable. Because within the B wave here, this could just be an A, B, C in itself. And we could move up next in a 5-wave move. We cannot rule that out, especially not as long as we haven't broken the beginning of the A wave here at $5.67. But a break below that would certainly make this higher C wave unlikely. It wouldn't invalidate it because a B wave can become a flat pattern. In such an expanded flat, which this might become, you can get an A wave and a B wave which goes actually below the beginning of the A wave, but this is rare, and then a C wave to the upside. This is still possible as well. But what we need to be ready for is further declines. Either way, maybe some short-term upside, yes. Getting less likely now, of course, with this strong drop. But if we see some nice green candles, this can be a signal that we'll still get it. Because again, it hasn't been validated, but I think I would completely rule out a wave 4, a higher wave 4, if we break below that 550 level, if we break the neckline of the head and shoulders. Already now, if you see continuous weakness and we don't recover quickly here, we have to assume that the wave 4 was already in either here or here. Probably rather here. And then we've already got our 1-2 setup here. And this might be a 3. There will be a 4 and a 5. So if we see that this turns into a 5-wave move down, that would be another signal. and then an ABC move to the upside, a correction, and then heading further down would be another confirmation or indication that a local high has been made here. So again, nothing remotely bullish here for Link anyway. This is not a bullish chart. This is still bearish, head and shoulders on the chart, and no bullish structure really. Even the bullish structure that we had on the chart that was there as a possibility didn't work out in any way really. So the focus has to remain further on the downside. And we talked about it before, target area sort of 290 to 350. From what I can see now, this might be specified further as we go lower and get a clearer picture of the micro counts here. Okay, and that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit a like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.